Okay, so I've got a brother ls14 and the timing for the bobbin went out. And I looked everywhere on YouTube and couldn't find a video, so fuck it. Here's a video for you, pardon the French. Basically, you got on the back of the sewing machine behind, you've got screws here, 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 and here. I'll turn it around and show you. So you got one screw in there, one screw down the bottom, one screw here, and one big screw here. Undo all them, and you can start to crack it off. Comes off as a whole. Be careful, there is a screw just here which goes in that bit there. I did catch mine, and as you can see, I broke it, so I learned from my mistake. So once you've got it all off, basically it's really flipping simple. Down under here, if you can see in there, if you look in yours, you'll see it's a little Allen key. Unscrew that Allen key, and then that little piece there pushes up, and that holds the bobbin in place, the bobbin casing in place. I don't know what it's called, I'm not a very good sewer. Once you've popped that out, keep it in check, don't let it all come out, just hold it in there, and you can swivel the bobbin casing round to the position it needs to be in. Be careful, because there's a spacer in here. If you let that spacer fall out, then you have a hell of a time getting it back in. So use your Allen key that you used to get that out to hold it in place through there while you're adjusting your bobbin casing. And once you should be able to line it up and then follow it around to see, oh sorry, there's terrible light in here, see it catching, and you'll know it's right, and if it's wrong, readjust it. Push it all back together, put your Allen screw back in there. If you've got something magnetic to do that with, I use my drill. It's great because that will stop you dropping that down the back of that hole down there. Yeah, and that's it. It's really easy. I just thought I'd put this up so anyone else gets stuck like I did can do this. Thanks.